Here we are with the sound of the E. The sound of the E when it follows ts. When it follows ts, the E becomes voiceless, so it's almost unpronounced. Ts, E becomes ts, ts, so you can't hear the E sound. Like in ts, ts, which means word. Then we have ts, ong, ts, ong. Remember of the nasal sound ts, ong, which becomes zong, zong. Second tone, zong, zong, which means from as a preposition. Ts, o, ts, o becomes so, so. Fourth tone, so, so. This is also a not common sound, so this character is not that used. Anyway, we can see the meaning as to happen suddenly, but it's pretty complex as a character. You don't have to learn it by now. Then we have zhi, u, ci, u, cu. First tone, cu, cu. Cu means rough, coarse. Here, ci, wan, ci, wan, cuan, cuan. With the fourth tone, it's pronounced cuan, cuan, which means to exile, to banish, to run away. Ci, wei. We have seen that u and e becomes wei. Ci, wei becomes cui, cui. Fourth tone, cui, cui means fragile or also crispy. Zhi, un, zi, un, cun, cun. First tone, cun, cun, which means village, small village. After cun, we have ci, wo, ci, wo, cuo. Fourth tone, we have cuo, cuo. Wrong,